Hello everyone, and congratulations to all the Bitcoin or other crypto holders for being close to almost all-time high and forming a new all-time high against Euro. So let's take a look at Bitcoin chart and other cryptocurrencies to see what can happen next. Okay, if we go to daily chart, we already in previous videos told you that there is important supply zone here on the chart. So we're gonna in this video look at it very precisely. Here in this base that is a drop, base and drop, we're gonna see where can be the supply demand, or in other words, make this zone a bit smaller and more precise. Okay, in this candle here, after this trading range, we had formed a flag here, one touch, two touch here, and the third touch here, this candle formed a buy signal exactly at that point here. So when this candle was crossed by the price here, there was a buy signal. So here was the zone that in which people were buying Bitcoin, probably. So our zone is between 65,522 and 66,376 in Bitstamp exchange. If we go to today, we see that we are now touching this zone. So far we have a very small zone that is a decision point for us to see what can happen next for Bitcoin price. And also we have here another flag forming from forming by attaching these two buttons together. Okay, so the scenarios that can happen, because it seems that there is no sell pressure here, we see the strength of this candle. If it crosses it, even $1, it means that there is no sell pressure left even in all-time high. So we can't expect any major correction again. And the biggest correction that can happen, in my opinion, is to this trend line, and it will send the price to new all-time highs, probably around 90K. And or the price goes higher than this zone by a strong candle and comes back to this zone. Again, this zone can act as a support after that, because it's a resistance. If it's flipped by the price, it means that it will be a support. This scenario can happen. So for this bull market and this uptrend of Bitcoin, at the end, I expect a price between 90K and 100 or 105K. So this zone for me is a target for this bull market here at the end. And probably at this zone, there will be too many positive news in the social media about the price of Bitcoin going higher, going to $1 million. But for us, this flag line is important, and we use it as a target for this bull run. And I expect after that, that price goes down again as low as 40K. So to this important flag line, where it will be the decision point, the next decision point for the price. So at that time, we will probably record another video and we will analyze it. But for now, it doesn't look like that there are too many sell pressures, because in my opinion, Bitcoin price is going through a supply shock. For example, in OTC or over-the-counter exchanges, yesterday I read the news that they are going through supply shock, which means there is no Bitcoin to sell. So if you want to buy Bitcoin over the counter from those exchanges, you can't, because there is no Bitcoin. So when there is no supply, the price can go up this sharp, like here. So overall for Bitcoin, even though in my previous videos I expected to have a correction, like a big correction from this zone, it seems that it's not gonna happen. So we were wrong about it. And I believe that sooner or later we will see these prices even before halving, because everyone is expecting that the real move up and new all-time highs start after halving. But in my opinion, we will see it before halving, and by halving we will drop, because many people will be buying after halving because they believe that halving will cause the price of Bitcoin to be even higher, to go even higher, and it's the good liquidity for the like big walls to sell their Bitcoins. Okay, let's take a look at a few other cryptocurrencies. It's ADA. As you can see, we expected a correction from here, but we see that this trading range between these two zones, between here and here, or better to put it here, like it was a trading range, a fake breakout here, respected, and the breakout of the top zone here, and a pullback to the broken zone and acted as a support. This was a resistance. And after breakout, it became a support, and we see that it's like another buy signal. So we can see in the first step 93 cents against dollar as a target, like short-term target for ADA, and we can expect a correction from this price again to this trend line. We don't know when the price is gonna hit this trend line, but whenever it hits it, it will be a buy opportunity, because we have again another broken uh, resistance here and can again act as a support. So, and another target can be around 1.26. But at the end, in the long term, we expect the price to go to all-time high again, because we came back to the range. It was our range, and we are going back to the range. About BNB, here we have a zone, a broken resistance zone. So here it can act as a new support. So we can again buy BNB with a target of around 782. But Solana, here a trading range, broken trading range, and buy signals. So we can expect the price to go even higher to this zone, and then this trend line can act as a new support for us. But overall, I don't expect much more move for Solana. Ethereum, and we see that Ethereum is already in our target, but overall at the end of this bull cycle, I see around 8,700 or around 9,000 as a final target for Ethereum. That is very bullish sign for altcoins. And finally, Polkadot. We see that this flag worked, and the target, as you see, we already have all these drawings like Fibonacci retracement and like a doubled trading range. It has been a trading range broken, and it can be doubled. And we see that there is a important target here around $17.50. Okay, so overall we expect moves in altcoins, especially in my opinion. It's time to exchange Bitcoin to altcoins because they are a bit behind, and I believe that we are in the middle of bull market and we haven't seen the top of this cycle yet. Okay, I hope you enjoyed, and I hope I wish you more profits, and I hope that our videos and our analysis has been useful for you. I wish you more profits. My name is Khosrow Sukhanbar, investor and trader in financial markets.